99% of people practice for interviews the wrong way. They read random threads online, watch a YouTube video, or ask their dad for help. But they never actually practice interviewing. With Nora, you just simply upload your resume, put in a job description, and pick an interview mode. In seconds, Nora scrapes the entire internet. Reddit, Glassdoor, Blind, mixes real interview questions with our database of hundreds of thousands of vetted questions. Then Nora actually interviews you, asks you questions, listens, pushes back like a real recruiter would.
Hello, my name is Nora, and I'll be conducting your mock interview today. You're interviewing for the software engineer position at Amazon. Could you please start by introducing yourself and telling me a little about your background?
Hey Nora, yeah, I once did a project in software engineering back in college, and yeah, super excited for this interview. God, that was so bad. After you're done, she scores you, breaks down every answer, and shows you exactly where to improve. So with Nora AI, be the most prepared person in any interview. You don't have to be anxious. You don't have to use outdated interview prep anymore. Dad, I'm good. I don't need your help. I'm gonna use Nora AI. God damn, what the hell?
I got out of work